Hello, the student are classes. Today we will read the English, the book First Images, lesson number 9, the nation's strength. The nation's strength is depend on its pupil, as its pupil will be the nations will same kinds of. If our citizens, if the country's citizen is good, then nation will good. If nation's citizens are powerful, the nation will also powerful. Now open the book. We read. Let's read the poem. What makes a nation's pillar high and its foundations strong? What makes it might to defy? Strongly resist the force that round it is strong. It's not gold, it's a kingdom grand. Go down at battle stop. It's sap. Column that form the base of a building. Not an abiding rock. In this first extract, the poet describes about the nation's strength. When the nation's pillars are so powerful and its foundation will be so powerful, the nations will also powerful. It the if what makes 20? The poet again questions who makes the nations strong? Are its kingdom, its God? Yeah, it's gold. No, not kingdom, nor gold. Its strength is the nation's citizen. If it is sword of the red dust of empires passed away. The blood has turned their stones to rust, their glory to decay. Someone said, it is the sword of the king. By the sword, with the fear of the sword, the king ruled over the country. And its pride, again he asked, will the strength of any country, any nation, will its pride? No. Again it is, hey, that bright crown has seemed to nations sweet, but God has struck its luster shine. Luster down in ashes as his feet. If anyone shows the pride is nation's strength, then God sees everything in the conscience of every citizen's thing. And when the pride goes high, the God struck its sign down with his feet, under his feet, in as the dust, as ashes, nor gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. He answered again, not gold, not kingdom, nor grandeur of the kingdom, nor sword, and not the staff, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Man, such a honor and truthful and beautiful citizen can make nations strength and powerful. Brave men who work while others sleep. The soldiers, the poet had said to him, they are the brave men because when we sleep, they watch their country, our country, any nations who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillar deep, that the God always save our country, any nation, and they are the pillar of the nations and left them to sky. Now, see the consolidate questions. Question number 1, consolidate ka, A1 ka. What are the things that according to the poet do not make a nation strong? According to the poet, the things gold, pride and sword do not make a nation strong. Question 2, what do a nation's foes do? Nation's foes strongly resist to make a country strong. What can happen a nation's pride? A nation's pride can luster down in ashes as God's feet. Question 4, what are the qualities that make a nation strong? Truth, honesty and duty are the qualities that make a nation strong. State the rhyme scheme used in the poem. The rhyme scheme used in the poem is AB. As for example, let's read the first four line of the poem. In the last word of each line's word, high, next strong, next high and defy, matching A, first and third line, and second strong, B, and fourth line, B, strong. Okay? Now, A2 question ka 1, 2, 3 and all parts of you have to do as your homework. Your poem is now completed. Pause the video and write it in your notebook. Now, poem has completed.